श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचंद्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my spiritual master, Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satmar Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satmar Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satmar Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So continue, we also discuss about Raya Ramananda Sangvad, the conversation between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Raya Ramananda, the Prem Vilas Vivarta Katha. And few days we also discuss, but this topic subject is very deep and high level katha. I think not so easy to understand for everybody. And Prem Vilas Vivarta, and so actually this is coming from Prem Madanakha Mahabhav in Dasha. We also discuss many things, and I try to discuss from Chaitanya Charitamrita Anubhasya of Srila Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada. But this is very deep.
One moment, please. Everyone, their cameras off.
So we also discuss about these things. The पहिले पहिले राग नयन भंग भेल अनुदिन बारल अभिना गेल ना सो रमन ना हम रमणी दुह मन पेशल एकल जानी। सखी ये सब प्रेम काहिनी कानूठ में कहबी बिछुर जानी। ना खुजलु दुती ना खुजलु आन दुहेर मिलने मध्य पांचवान। अब सही विराग तुहु भेली दुती सुपुरुख प्रेम प्रेम न ओई क्षण रीति। This katha we also discuss. And we have Raman and Ramani. Naso Raman Naham Ramani. This is called Achinta Bhed and Abhed Tattva. They also as like Our Param Guru Maharaj, he wrote these slokas about Vinod Bihari Tatta Astakam Radha Chinta Nivishana Jasya Kanti Vilorpita Shri Krishna Charanam Bandi Radha Alingata Vigraham. And Sakti Matur Dayur Avheda, there are no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman. And so, so analyzed, deeply analyzed in this verse also Purvarag, Man, Prabhas, Prema Vaichitra, and all this katha in these slokas. Actually, this is the essence of Madanakha Mahabhava Dasha. Then here Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada in his Anubhasya explain this way. Then sometimes Sahajiya, Sakhi Bhakti, they cannot understand. For this regard, they wrote one grantha that is called Prem Vilas Grantha, but Rai Ramananda is Prem Vivarta Grantha. And we also discuss these things. And different stages of Roti also, according to the Roti, Samanjasa Roti, Samartha Roti, and also Sadharani Roti. And different stage of Rotis and different that types of bhav, mood manifested. Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada also explained in this way. Duti also, Duti means messenger. We also discussed two kinds of Duti. One is called Sang Duti, another is called Apta Duti. Sang Duti, that is called the sound of the melodious sound of fruit of Krishna and Katakshapa, the sidelong glance of Srimati Radhika. Another also Aptaduti, that Veera Brinda, they're called Aptaduti. Another way also discuss about Sadharan Duti, general messenger, that called Silpakarni, Daivagga, Lingini, in this way. So Srimati Radhika, she told, our love, prema, or how we'll meet together, and without any messenger or without any reason. Just in our love and affection, we meet together. Madhya Panchaban. Panchaban means 5 types of arrows. That is called Roop, Ra, Sabda, Gandha, Sparsha. That is called Pancha Swarak. Krishna's and Srimati Radhika's, both they also attracted and to each others. Their Rupa, Rupmani beauty, Ras, Gandha, Sabda, Sparsha, in this way. We also discuss these things. Then in this Adhiruda Mahabhav, Vipralambha is there. And Ruda and Adhiruda Mahabhav, that is a Mahabhav again 2 types. One is called Ruda and Adhiruda Mahabhav. Then Adhiruda Mahabhav more and increase, that is called Mohan and Madan. Then Madanakha Mahabhav. And so many things we also try to understand how this verse and explain how Radha and Krishna is one. Radha and Krishna. Prema's Vivarta also. Vivarta means how they also to mix together each others. So we also discuss about this katha. Radhaya Radhaya Bhavatascha Chitta Jotuni Se Dui Vilasa Kramat Jatna Udri Nikunja Kunjarapati Nivrita Bheda Brahmam Chitraya Swayam Amranjadivi Brahmanda Harmodari Bhayurvi Nava Rago Hingula Bhari Shringara Karukriti. This also Ujjal Nirmani Srila Rupa Goswami Pad composed this verse 14th by 150 55. Yeah? Chaitanya Charitamritam, these slokas, Chaitanya Charitamritam, 8th Madhya Lila, 8th chapter, 194 slok. So we will discuss these things. There are different kinds of rag also, Hingul rag, Manjistha rag, different rag also in there. Because if we not deeply enter in Ujjwal Nirmani, very difficult to understand. But by step, one day we listening, maybe one day more listen, then one day will be understand. So now coming in this way, just we also discuss these things. প্রভু কয়ে সাধ্য বস্তু এই অবধি হয় তোমার প্রসাদিয়া জানুন নিশ্চয় সাধ্য বস্তু সাধন বিনা কেহ নাহি পায় কৃপা করি কয় রায় পাবার উপায় So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, now I realize what is your topmost, that means ultimate goal. Just I realize by your mercy. So can Prabhu ke sadhu vastu eobadi hoy tomar prasad janinu nishchay. In this way Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very humbly he told. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again also explained sadhana vastu sadhya bina sadhya vastu sadhana bina prapti nahi hoy. Kripa kori kahase power upay. Now we realize the sadhya vastu that is called Madanakha Mahabhav. This is the highest prem of Srimati Radhika. This is called last limit, divine love of Srimati Radhika. But how will attain this prem? And without sadhan, practice, bhajan, no one can attain this. So kripa kari kohrai power upay. First Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu humbly asked, tell me what is the process? রায় করে যেই কহাও সেই কহি বাণী কি কহিবে ভালো মন্দ কিছুই না জানি ত্রিভুবনের মধ্যে ওইছে কোন ধীর তোমার মার নাটে হইবে স্থির যে রায় রামানন্দ very humble he also told I cannot speak more than this, just you inspired in my heart, then I try to speak something to you. I don't know bhalo or mando. Bhalo means what is good and what is bad. Just you inspired my heart, and or you are speaking in my heart, just I speaking from my tongue. ত্রিভুবনে ওইছে কোন ধীর তোমার মায়ার নাটে হইবে স্থির. In this material world, who is the super person can be can to control his mind? And your maya is very powerful. There are two kinds of maya, the yoga maya and it is called mahamaya. Conditioned soul completely elucidated by mahamaya, and they can also conquer to they can conquer to maya also, they conquer to yes, sorry Maharaj, I did not hear. This is going or not? I did not listen. Haribol.
Yes, Guru. We heard everything. Can hear you.
पड़ता है चल रहा था उनको ये क्या है तो ये कम कर दिया ना आपने हैं इसके ऊपर निर्भर कर नहीं तो वो बोल रहे हमें सुनाई नहीं पड़ रहा.
Gurudev,
Or you contact with Naveen Prabhu, can you contact with the vigilant devotee? They are saying
Gurudev, we heard
not going. So you may
we
check.
hear everything.
So রায় কহে সাধ্য বস্তু রায় কহে যে কহাও সেই কহাবাণী কি কহিবে ভালো মন্দ কিছুই না জানি ত্রিভুবনের মধ্যে ওইছে হয় কোন ধীর যে তোমার মায়া নাটে হইবে স্থির. So we also discuss the two kinds of maya. One is called yoga maya, another is called mahamaya. So Krishna performs all his lila with his yoga maya, and those who are the pure devotee, completely surrender lotus feet of Guru and Krishna, they may also understand everything Krishna's also Yogamaya. Those jivas are completely apart from Krishna, and they cannot understand anything. Just they want to know with their own material knowledge or the knowledge of the scriptures. But our Shastra saying in this way, Nang Atma Pravachana Labbo no Medhya no Bahuna Suteno Jame Vaisa Brunite Ten Labbo Tasis Atma Vibrunite Tanushamam. And when Lord Himself mercifully manifests all these tattva in their heart, that time they may understand. And so when we give up all kinds of our duplicity and hypocrisy and all kinds of offenses, then we may understand. Arthat, that means give up the tarka pantha. Tarka pantha means give up the path of material logic. Yeah. Understand? Suska pantha or tarka pantha. Yeah. So when we to which path will do that is Sruta pantha. Sruta pantha, that means to listen Harikatha from the lotus lips of pure sadhu and guru, nirmatsar sadhu and guru. And another Sruta pantha means you have to follow the instruction of Shruti and Shruti, Veda Upanishad and Veda Upanishad, Riksam Jadu Atharva and Mahabharatam, Itihasa Mahabharatam, and that is Pancham Ved, Mahabharata, and and Mula Ramanuschaiva, that is called Shastra. And those and others Puranas, those who are following also this Ved Puran, Ved and Mahabharat, they are also called the they are called also Shastra, because our Jiva Goswami Pad explain and what is the meaning of Shastra. And Shruti Shastra and Shruti Smriti and Itihasa, Agam, Niyam, so many things also there. But you have to follow the rules and regulation of Shastra. Those who are in the line of Shruti, Vedas, Upanishads, and completely surrender to the feet of Guru. Then understand. Or if you have come in to understand with your Tarkapantha, you have to give up. So there are two kinds of process how to attain our ultimate goal. One is called Abhorobad, another is called Arohobad, ascending and descending. And always follow the Abhorobad, give up the Arohobad. So now coming in this way, here also Rai Ramananda, and he told, yeah, I cannot speak anything what is good and what is bad. Just you inspired my heart, and I'm trying to speak that. And as like Bina Badaka, one who is playing the Bina, and according his rhythm, that the strength of Bina, giving the sound and sweet melody. In the same way, Rai Ramananda he told, ये मोर मुखे वक्ता तुम्ही और तुम्ही हो श्रोता. And Raymond very humble, he was saying, you are also speaker and you are also श्रोता, you are also listener. अत्यंत रहस्य सुनो सावधानेर कथा, साधनेर कथा. But I want to speak very carefully and this confidential sadhan, how to attain this highest goal, divine love of Radha and Krishna. Radha Krishna এই লীলা অতি গুরুতর, দাস্য বাৎসলাদি ভাবে না হয় গোচর, সবেক সখীগণের তথা অধিকার, সখী হইতে হয় এই লীলার বিস্তার। সখী বিনা এই লীলা পুষ্টি নাহি হয়, সখী লীলা বিস্তারিয়া সখী আস্বাদয়, সখী বিনা এই লীলার অন্য নাহি গতি, সখী ভাবে যে তারে
करे অনুগতি। রাধা কৃষ্ণ কুঞ্জ সেবা সাধ্য সেই পায়, সেই সাধ্য পাইতে আর নাহি ক উপায়। So now Rai Ramananda finally he told রাধা কৃষ্ণের এই লীলা অতি গুরুতর। রাধা কৃষ্ণ's lila, this lila is very very confidential. Na so Raman na ham Ramani, this very very confidential. Even those who are the devotees of Dasa Sakha Vatsalya, they may not understand, and only those who are the devotees of Madhurya Ras and Sakhi Bhav, they may can understand. And because our Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada give an example, some honey, madhu, honey, inside in the bottle, but that bottle completely were closed with the cork, you know. But some honeybees, they are thinking we'll collect the honey from the bottle, but it is impossible. Why? Because the honey inside in the bottle and they also closed with the cork. So in the same way, this Madhurya Ras and Singar Ras, no one can understand. If high class exalted devotee to anyhow open that the cork, then we can little bit taste lick the honey. So Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada he gave this example and story is Upakhan Upadesh. These things. And that means, so for this regard, Srila Rupa Raghunath Das Goswami also explain, Anaradha Radha Padam Bhujarenu Anasita Binda Atavi Tatpadankam Asambhasya Tadbhava Gambhira Chittan Kutasamo Sindhu Rasa Sabagaho. Raghunath Das Goswami compiled this verse in his book Anaradha Radha Padambodhirmi. If you will not completely, absolutely surrender lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, that is called Radhika Nishtha, one pointed with the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, that is called Radha Nishtha. Second, you have to stay in Vrindavan. Vrindavan where Radha Krishna they perform sweet amorous pastime that place. There are Nidhuban, Nikunjavan, Radha Kundo, Jabot, Kokilavan, and etc. And you have to stay there. Or third, তার ভক্ত সঙ্গে সদা রসলীলা প্রেম কথা যে করে সে পায় ঘনশ্যাম. And one who completely surrender lotus feet of Rashik, Sadhu and Guru and listen Hari Katha from their lotus lips. So this is the three condition. First, 1.8 with Srimati Radhika. Second, you have to stay in Vrindavan. Bhaktivinoda Thakur also explained, if not possible, always stay in Vrindavan physically, but in your mind, you have to stay in Vrindavan. But again, also explain, and it is best with your body and mind both stay in Vrindavan. And it is the best place and best policy. Or third, always associate with high class, exalted, Rosik Sadhu Guru and listen Hari Katha. So saying, Sabe ek sakhi kane riha adhikar, sakhi hoite ei lilar vistar. Sakhi bina ei lila pushti nahi hai, sakhi lila vistariya, sakhi asaday. Sakhi bina ei lila ranne nahi gati, sakhi bhabe je tare kare anugati. রাধা কৃষ্ণ কুঞ্জ সেবা সাধ্য সেই পায়, সেই সাধ্য পাইতে আর নাহি ক উপায়. There are Sakhis, Srimati Radhika's many kinds of Sakhis also. And one is called Radha Nishtha Sakhi, Krishna Nishtha Sakhi, and Ubhay Nishtha Sakhi, Radha Nishtha Sakhi, that is called Manjaris. They are called one pointed with Srimati Radhika. That is called Radha Nishtha Sakhi. Or one is called Ubhay Nishtha. Some Sakhis, they also and love both Radha and Krishna, as like Ashtasakhi, Lalita, Visakha. But they sometimes their mind leaning towards and Srimati Radhika. But Lalita, Visakha also they are called and Samas Ubhay Nishtha. Or Krishna Nishtha Sakhi, Brinda, Bindarika, Dhanistha. And again, also Srimati Radhika's many kinds of Sakhis, Sapaksha, Vipaksha, Tarsapaksha, Sridpaksha, and in this way also explain this way. Sapaksha, Srimati Radhika's side, that is called Sapaksha, Vipaksha, opposite party is Chandravali, Sridpaksha, and that is called and Sapaksha, Sridpaksha, and some also Sruhit Paksha. Sruhit means friendship mode. And this is Sapaksha, Vipaksha, Sruhit Paksha, and Tadastha. Tadastha means some also neutral. And so in this way, in Sabek Sakhi Ganesh, Yaha Adhikar, or again also Srimati Radhika, 5 types of Sakhis: Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi, Priya Sakhi, and Prana Prishta Sakhi. And Sakhi. Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi, actually they are called Manjaris. And they have Babullas Rati in there because Srimati Radhika has all kinds of mood, everything's just reflected in their heart. So, so far this year also explained this way. Sakhir on anugattai sabek sakhi gane iha adhikar sakhi hoite hoy ei লীলার বিস্তার sakhi bina ei লীলা pushti nahi hoy. And the sakhis they also to perform this lila, how they arrange this lila. Further Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad glorified our Guru Rupa Sakhi is also there. Nikunja Juno Ratikeli Siddhai Jajali Vijukti Rapekshaniya Tatradi Daksat Ativallavasya Bandi Guru Sri Charanarvindam Saksadharitrena Samastra Sastrai Rukta Tatavabhata eva sadhivi Kintu Prabhurja Priya eva tassa Bande Guru Sri Charanarvindam. So now coming in this way, Guru Vastak, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad very clearly explain this way. Just Nikunja Juno Rotikili Siddhai Ja Jalivi Juktira Apekshaniya Tatradi Daksat Otis Pallavasya Bande Guru Sri Charanarvindam. How Guru Rupa Sakhi she is very expert, and she is giving some direction, instruction to other Sakhis, how Radha and Krishna they will perform their amorous pastimes in Nikunja Leela. So here we're saying, Sabek Sakhi Gane Iha Adhikar, and only the Sakhis they are qualified. But which Sakhis? There those are Sapaksha Sakhis, not Vipakshas. So Sakhi hoite ei Lilar Vistar. Sakhi bina ei Lila Pushti nahi hoy. Without Sakhis, this Lila will be not nourishment. And Sei Lila Sakhi Lila Vistaria Sakhi Ashraday. In this way, that Sakhis and girlfriend of Srimati Radhika, they also relishing and they also be relish to Srimati Radha and Krishna. आस्वादन कराती है, आस्वादन करती है. सखी बिना ए लीलार अन्य नहीं गति, सखी भावे जे भावे करे अनुगति. So that means here Ravananda finally he concluded. Those who are Madhurya Rasa Sadhaka, they have to follow the instruction of the Sakhis. That is Sakhis Anugatta. Sakhis Anugatta have to follow the instruction of Sakhis and to perform bhajan and sadhan. and especially our Gaudiya Vaishnava Rupanugatta Bhajan, Ragatmika Bhakti, and Rupanuga, Raganuga Bhakti and Rupanuga Bhakti. And Gaudiya Vaishnavas, those who are coming in the line of Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Bhaktianta Prabhupada, and their aim and object, how to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Especially Narottam Das Thakur, he also explained, Kabe Loka Nath More Sanghe Laya Jabe Sirupera Pad Padme More Samar Pibe Hana Ki Hoibe Moro Norma Sakhi Gane Anugata Narottame Koribe Sasane. And Narottam Das Thakur, very humble, he praised lotus feet of his Gurudev Lokanath Das Goswami. Lokanath Das Goswami, Kabe Lokanath More Sange Loya Je, wherein my Gurudev Lokanath Das Goswami will take me. That means Lokanath Das Goswami, that is called which Manjari? Manjulali. Understand? When Manjulali will take me and offer the lotus feet of Rupa Manjari, and Rupa Manjari very kindly give me service to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. This is called our Rupanugatta Bhajan Paddhati. So here Sakhi Bhav Anugata means here Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada also explain that is called Rupa Anugatta Bhajan, Rupa Manjari Anugatta Bhajan. We serve to them as like Jiva Goswami Pad or Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. He is the topmost Rupanuga Bhajan Paddhati. And he is showing the process of Rupanuga Bhajati. Or most of the slokas of Bilap Kusumanjali. And he explained how we will serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari, Rupanugatta Bhajan. Sri Rupa Manjari Kararchita Pada Padma Gushandana Bhujar Vidamastakaya Ha Madata Kanaka Gauri Padar Vindam Sanavayani Sanakaistavakim Karise. So in this way, our Raghunath Das Goswami in Bilap Kusumanjali saying you have to serve to Divine Kamaladhan Krishna and under guidance of Rupa Manjari, Rupanugatta Bhajan. And Sadhak Rupena and Siddha Rupena, both. In Sadhak Rup, and following the Rupa Goswami's bhajan, how did he perform bhajan? Sankha Prabhaka Nama Gana Nati Kala Vasana Krito Nidra Harya Vihar Vidu Chattanaju Radha Krishna Gunasmati Mudrianandana Sanmohito Bande Rupa Sanatano Rughujugo Sijiva Gopaloko. A Siddha Rupena, and how Rupa Goswami, that means Rupa Manjari, she serves to Srimati Radhika, and so very humble, asked to Rupa Manjari, hey Rupa Manjari, please give me these types of seva, and seva mangya lilo, and serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. So Radha Krishna Kunja seva sadha sei pai. Sei sadha paite ar nahi ko upay. So now Rai Ramananda he told Radha Krishna Kunja Seva. This Kunja Seva is very important. And our Raghunath Das Goswami also quoted this verse Tamular Punapada Mardana Payudan Abhisar Vindaran Mahasin Prana Prishta Sikila Sankochita Bhumika Rupa Manjita Dasika Ahang Sangsrait. And that is called actual how to substitute this Kunja Seva in there. And so this is called our perfect process and how to enter and our bhajan and sadhan. And Sakhir bhajan ek akatha kathan Krishna sa nija lila nahi sakhir man Krishna sa radhika lila je karay nija sukh hoite tate koti sukh paye. And Sri Radha Prem in Chaitanya Chaitamritam, And Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained Madhya Lila, 8th chapter, and slok number 206. And Sakhir Sabhaveg Akatha Kathan, Krishna Sah Nijalila Nahi Sakhir Mon. Those who are the mood of Manjari, Manjari Bhav, they never and independently to meet with Krishna. Even Sapano Opi, even in their dream, they never thinking, I will meet with Krishna independently. So he is saying, Sakir Swabhav ek akatha kathan, Krishna saha nija lila nahi sakir man. And sometimes Lalita Visakha, sometimes they also independently, Satantra Rupa, they meet with Krishna. And sometimes you are saying about Julan Lila in Lalita Kunda, that katha sometimes you explain. But those who are Manjaris, only one pointed with Srimati Radhika. So for this regard here also, Rayananda explained, Krishna saha nija lilai nahi sakir mon. Krishna saha Radhika lila je karai nija sukh hoite tate koti sukh paye. And Manjaris there also, this is their duty. How Radha and Krishna, they will meet together. And these things. And because this is their duty also. And Manjari's duty. How Radha and Krishna, they meet together. Even in the Manodasa of Srimati Radhika, and they also glorified and about Krishna, and then and try to pacify Srimati Radhika's man. So many Lila Kathas is also in there. And our Rupa Goswami Pad's Grantha, and Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Sri Krishna Bhavanamrit Grantha, and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Govinda Lilamrit Grantha, so many slokas. And Lila also explained in this way. So now coming in this way. Radhar Saru Krishna Prem Kalpalata, Sakhigan Hantar Pulva Pala Puspa Pata, Krishna Lilamrita Yadi Lata Kisinchai, Kotisu Goite Pallavade Kotisu Ghai. So now explain the what is the Sarupa Srimati Radhika. Actual Srimati Radhika, she is called Krishna Prema Kalpalata. Just give an example. Krishna is as like Kalpavriksha. Kalpavriksha means desire tree. Eh? Srimati Radhika, she is the creeper of the desire tree. So here saying Radhar Sarup, Krishna Prema Kalpalata, Sakhi Ganhantar Palla Puspapata. So Sakhis, eh, 5 types of Sakhi: Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi, Prana Prishta Sakhi. They are as like Palla, Puspa, and Pata. Eh? Some their flowers, some the leaves in this way. Eh? Krishna Lamrdi Lata Kishinchai, Nija Sughoite Pallavade Koti Sukhai. And Sakkaradikang Brajakumar, Braja Kumuda, Vidurhadini Nama Saktai. Sarangsa Prema Valla Kisalayada Puspadi Tulla Satulla Siktaya Krishna Lilamrita Rasa Nichane Ullasa Santosam Risam Jatu Ullasang Sa Se Sechakatang Gunam Odikam Santi Jatta Unnata Chitram. And so this in this purport of these slokas very clearly explained. ये Braja Sakhigan, all they are same qualification of Srimati, that is called Radha Tulla. Because Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibhavi Starvijuva Nijo Rupa Tvaya Kalavi. Actually, these Sakhis are non-different from Srimati Radhika. For this regard, say Radha Tulla. Sakha Radhikaya. Swatulla. Swatulla means the same Radhika manifested in the different forms of the Sakhis. Because without many consort Krishna is not happy. And for this regard, Srimati Radhika, she herself manifested her many forms. Eh? These things also. And so, on Brahma Samhita, this slok, Jiv Goswami Pad explain. And the Radha Tulla. And Brajak Kumuda Chandra Radhi Sakti Namni Sarvismati Radhangsa Srima Vallavi. And Krishna, and also Krishna Kumuda Chandra Radhi Namni Sakti Rupa Radhika Sarangsa Prema Vallavi Kisladya Puspadi Sarup Krishna Lilamrita Rasa Sumodara Parma Ullasi Radhika Sikto Hilen Sukhigan Apna Dikake Sechan Huite O Satugun Odik Jata Ullasen Yaha Vichitranai. This Amrit Prabhavasya Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. That means Srimati Radhika herself manifested many forms of the Sakhis. And she himself playing with Krishna and just different forms. So here so saying Radhar Sarup Krishna Prema Kalpalata Sakhi Ganhantar Palla Puspa Pata Krishna Lilamrita Judi Lata ke Sinchoy Nija Sukh hoite Pallabade Koti Sukh hai. Jaddapi Sakhi Krishna Sangh mein nahi man Tathapi Radhika Jatne Karaya Sangam. Though the Sakhi they have no independently meet with Krishna, but Srimati Radhika tried to meet with them with Krishna and different ways. But Nana Chale Krishna Pari Sangam Karai Atma Sukh Sangha Hoite Koti Sukh Pai Anner Visuddha Premer Kore Rasa Pushta Tasabaro Prem Dekhi Krishna Hai Tushta. And so Radha Krishna and Sakhi's Prem, that is called pure Prem. That is called Visuddha Prem. And when Krishna saw these types of Visuddha Prem, pure Prem, then Krishna is very happy. So he had saying in these verse and 213 213 श्लोक नंबर अन्य अन्य विशुद्ध प्रेमे करे रस पुष्टि तासवर प्रेम देखी कृष्ण है तुष्ट सहज गोपीर प्रेम नहे प्रकृत काम काम केडार सम्यता रे कही काम नाम. And because Jogmaya she arranged in this way, sometimes Sakhis they also doing man and different ways. Why? Because they also these types of rasas nourishment to each others. For this regard, sometimes Sakhis they are doing man, sometimes they also different their activities. So saying anne anno Visuddha Prem kare rasa pushti. Rasa pushti means nourishment, the rasa. And this is only for exclusively pleasure for Krishna. Krishna priti ke liye. Tasvar prem di Krishna tushta. So for the sahaja gopir prem nahe pragita kam. And gopis this prem is not material and lust. That is called transcendental lust. So saying sahaja gopir prem nahe prakita kam. Kam kedar sametar kohi kam nam. Because some similarity of lust. For this regard, we are using this word lust. Actual Gopi and Krishna, they are meeting. That is called perfect love. So for their Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Tantra Bhakka, very clearly explain. Premaiva Gopa Ramanang Kama Ittha Gamat Prathamam Ittu Uddha Buddhavadayo Apetang Banchati Bhagavat Priya. The Premaiva Gopa Ramanam Kama Ittha Gamat Prathama Iti Uddhavadayo. So Gopi is this calm or lust, transcendental lust or transcendental love. So for this regard, Uddhav and others, they are hankering how to attain this Bhagavad Priya's prem and Gopi's prem. And Uddhav, he came in Vrindavan, then again and again bow down his forehead, and the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, and he recited 6 slokas, and just how to get one, the foot dust of Srimati Radhika. And Nijendra Sughetu Kamen Tatpajya, Krishna Suk Tatparja, Gopi Bhav Varja. Again, Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami explained. What is the significance of lust? Lust means who has own sense gratifications. That is called Nijendriya Sukha Kam. Or Prem, that is called Krishna Sukha Tatparjamay Seva. That is called Gopi Bhav Varja. Varja means best, highest, unique, and unique. These things. So Gopi Bhav, this is the topmost, and how to give the exclusively pleasure to Krishna. Nijendra Sukhamancha nahi Gopikar, Krishna Sugdite Kare Sangam Bihar. And Jatte Sujata Charanambuja Ruhang Stanesu, Bhitasane Priya Dadimai Karkaresu. Tena Otobi Otosi Tadavattate no Kingsit. Kurupadivi Brahmoti Dhi Bhavadayu Sangnaham. And Gopi Gita, this is the last slok. Gopis how they pray to Brahma ji. And this verse is very important also. Our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explained. Jatti Sujata Charanam Mujuram Bhuvangstanesu Bhitasane Priya Dadimya Karkaresu. Tena Atavi Atasi Tadavattate na Kingsit Kurpadhir Brahmati Dhi Bhavdavisano. সেই গোপী ভাবামৃতে যার লোভ হয় বেদ ধর্ম ছাড়ি সে কৃষ্ণকে ভজয়. Here now Raganuga bhajan parichaya. And here Rayananda also explain how we'll practice Raganuga bhajan. And one who has low greed, then he will follow Gopi Bhava Jar low hoy. Then he will give up all kinds of Veda Dharma, Loka Dharma, and only one pointed with Guru and Krishna. So Raganuga Margidare Bhaje Jaijan, সেই জন পায় ব্রজে ব্রজেন্দ্র নন্দন. ব্রজলোকের কোন ভাব লয়াংশ যেই ভজে ভাবযোগ্য দেহ পায় কৃষ্ণ পায় ব্রজে. So here again Rai Ramananda he explain, conclude, the one who has greed, he must follow the Raganuga bhajan paddhati, and Braja Loko Anusarata, follow the instruction of Brajavasis, and day by day absorb himself. And there are so many processes in Bhajan Rahasya Sri Bhaktivinoda Thakur explain. And Atma Dhyan, the Dhyan also different stages. And Ekados Bhav, 11 mood, Pancha Dasha, that's called 5 stages. And day and night chanting holy names and remember to pastimes of Krishna. And ei lila smarar gao Krishna naam achidate Krishna tumai koriben. And only remember this lila katha and absorb yourself and try to forget your bodily conception. And abhimanam parityajang prakito vapuradisu. This is very important. This sloka have to learn. Abhimanam parityajang should be give up the bodily conception and abhimanam, and always absorb with Gopi Bhav. Radha Krishna Leela कहते हैं. So far जी भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर संग दी देखते देखते भोली मोबा कबे निज स्थूल परिचय. देखते देखते भोली मोबा कबे निज स्थूल परिचय. ब्रज गोपी भाव হইবে স্বভাব আনুভাব না রহিবে. only our swabhav. Swabhav means spontaneous nature, sahavik nature. Prakriti will come. Braja Gopi Bhav. What that? Braja Gopi Bhav hoibe swabhav, an bhava ar nahi be. There are no any others comes mood. No, that's the sakha vatsalya, and that only how to absorb in Gopi Bhav. And then, so in this way, this is the process sadhan, and to how to attain Gopi Bhav. And so in this way, Bhajan Rasa, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely explain this way. And you have to absorb Gopi Bhav and serve to Krishna and under guidance of our Guru and Vaishnavas. Guru Premanandi Hari Hari Bolo. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you for your kindness. I'll not take too much of your time. Now our Hindi class and evening Hindi class will be start. So soon I will go to Hindi class. But day by day you are listening, and one day you must and understand. Maybe in the beginning you may not understand, but I hope one day all you understand. And because my Gurudev also told, bajaite bayan, gaite gayan. That means just you take one drum and play, then one day practice, then one day will be the expert drum player, mridanga player, or gaite gayan. Just you and sing and anyhow sing, and then one day we will be best and singer. This is the process. But here the one thing also, you have to play the mridanga and under guidance of expert teacher, or you have to sing also under guidance of expert and musician. Actually, this is the process. Otherwise, just to take one harmonium and pam 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 pam, then you cannot understand these things. Sorry. So you have to listen. But Harikatha is listen. You may not understand now in the beginning. Maybe after 10, 20 years, and after 20 years, after 30 years, you maybe understand this philosophy. So don't worry. Oh, I cannot understand, so I have to not listen. You cannot say this word. But you have to listen, and one day Krishna will manifest in your heart. Then you can realize these things. Gur Premanande Hari Hari Bolo. Jai Shri Gurudev ki Jai, Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Finish. Today is birthday, no birthday.